Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 13 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In this lecture I will show you the examples of market structure shift and a valid swing of ICT. So make sure you watch this video till end, and also if you are new to our channel, make sure you watch this playlist from a first video that I already make playlist on my YouTube channel as a name of ICT A to Z beginner series. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So in the previous video I show you that what is a valid swing point. To be a valid swing point, a candle, any candle, the previous one and the last one did not break high of that candle for a bullish scenario. Okay, for bullish scenario, the downside candle like this, first candle, third candle should not break the low of that candle. Okay, and for a market structure shift, what happened? A price is bearish, downside, tap on the POI, we have a valid swing point. Okay, and market displays upside, and market structure shift from bearish to bullish is called a market structure shift, and then we got our entry on a fair value gap, breaker block, order block, or whatever the strategy. Okay, so let me show you the example. We have a Euro USD 5-minute time frame. We have here London session. Okay, what we have here, we took out the liquidity at the London Open, we took out the liquidity of Tokyo and Sydney. Okay, we have these are valid swing point. As you see, this black candle after green and before black did not break it. We have these are market structure shift with displacement. Okay, we have also market structure shift with displacement here because this candle green before and after did not break. We have also these are market structure shift. Okay, then we have order block where the price tap and hit this liquidity. Okay, and if someone or SMC trader, he took this one also back, we have this mitigation block, and that's all. Okay, first of all we will find a valid swing point. We have this session, sure this will tap on some sort of POI. We have this valid swing point. Okay, we have also valid swing point, market break. Okay, tap on order block and also a fair value gap. Okay, liquidity to the upside. Okay, in the London session we have also same scenario here. We have swing point, break. Okay, we have order block, price just tap the second candle and give us a reaction. Okay, we have tap, these are market structure shift, the previous and next candle did not break, market structure shift. Okay, we have this order block. Okay, order block, this consequent accumulation of this week also you can consider upside. We also have here valid swing point, market structure shift, we have this mitigation upside. Okay, you have to practice on daily basis, that's all. If you didn't practice, you will not find these type of models on your trading journey. Okay, valid swing point. Okay, here is the structure, this is the order block, liquidity. Okay, you have to practice. I will also when introduce a ICT 22 model, that will be a very good, and really it will be a huge gem for this trading. Okay, for forex trading, so make sure you watch, because these all is the just a little bit concept for you to understand this model. The actual things start from these videos. Okay, the ICT module that will actually work on a time frame, These are random. I'm telling you this thing you see happen. Okay, once I start the ICT 22 model, everything will on a time frame. As per on a time frame, everything will be on a specific pair. Everything will be, you see, in a rhythm. Okay, so make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel. So here are the things that you will find. Okay, so the valid swing point, the market structure shift, and then entry. Okay, always remember, valid swing point is you will see everywhere, but the market structure shift only valid when it's tap on POI. The bearish market then shift into the bullish market. This valid swing point will be here, and this is your entry. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. If you are did not join our Telegram channel, please join it. Link in the description. If you did not join any good broker, he's the good broker. Zero spread, good leverage, swap free, and zero commission. Until next time, be safe.